Welcome to this video on how to start with NFTs in 2022. Do you want to be a flipper, or hodl for long-term investing? If you are not sure what this means, then this video will inform you on how to start with NFTs in 2022. It feels a little like entering a hurricane when you enter the NFT space. You're bombarded with acronyms such as crypto, Web3, and DeFi. This learning curve has been exploited by scammers as well. Having to deal with fake websites and malicious links that steal your seed phrases and drain your wallet is a serious barrier to adoption. As such, NFTs have a high potential of becoming a global phenomenon, if they aren't already. Most NFT projects are a form of crowdfunding, or investment into a new type of asset in conjunction with real estate, trading cards, and luxury handbags. The crypto and NFT space is appealing, as it breaks down the barriers that traditionally prevent retail investors from accessing deals. Do you want to be a flipper, essentially an NFT day trader? If your answer is yes, the media is shining a spotlight on a demographic of successful NFT flippers. These are individuals who become millionaires overnight, through getting whitelisted and cashing out via secondary sales. Getting whitelisted is no easy feat. Whitelisting means that you are guaranteed an NFT at the project's mint price, typically a reward to early supporters and active community members. Unless you are lucky enough to win giveaways, the typical path is to put in long hours on Discord, maintaining conversations or inviting new members. There are even cases where people pay to outsource their Discord activities in order to get whitelisted for hyped NFT projects. If your aspiration is to become a full-time flipper, consider the amount of time and research you'll need to commit to make that transition. NFT investing. NFTs have changed the game when it comes to deal sourcing and access to coveted investment opportunities. Essentially, you are investing in a long-term business that is similar to running a venture capital strategy. Traditionally, VC firms raise money from high-net-worth individuals or institutions and use that fund to make investments in early-stage companies. This entails buying a stake in the entrepreneur's model and nurturing it to maturity, which typically ranges from 8 to 10 years. However, with NFTs, the reach of the creator's network has expanded from their physical friend and acquaintance groups to the coverage of Discord, Twitter, and NFT marketplaces. Anyone can choose to become that project's investor by minting or buying secondaries. Minting a project is similar to crowdsourcing a financing round. From the perspective of the creator, the goal is ultimately to raise capital. For the investor, the question is, how to sort through the noise. View the NFT's Discord channel as a data room, a space that contains relevant information for the due diligence process. Instead of financials and operating plans, you'll get product market fit and customer service. How the team handles bots or trolls, moderates conversation, and executes on their roadmap plans before the big reveal says a lot about the likelihood for an NFT to succeed. With this type of investment strategy, patience is key. Giving yourself a longer timeline allows you, the investor, to grow with the project and build the value of your equity. A preferred investment thesis would be to employ a concentrated portfolio approach, so you can maintain active and high-touch portfolio management. This is done by spending as much time as you can building your NFT project through product suggestions, engagement on roadmap items, and educating new members. Intuitively, with more loyal members comes better bargaining power for the project. Successful NFT roadmaps create opportunities for new member acquisition and monetization. Creators and audiences are no longer mutually exclusive and are able to participate in both making and enjoying the work they care about. You can also achieve a diversified portfolio without acquiring new projects. Opportunities for NFT holders to receive passive income and new business endeavors in both the physical and digital world are reasons why holding a few projects can still allow you to be diversified in assets. Overall, while NFTs may seem like an intimidating and bizarre concept, there are many parallels that can be drawn from the physical world that refute its far-fetchedness. Similar to investing in early-stage startups, the trade-off between years of historical performance is the cost of equity. As a reward to early supporters, the cost of investing into a company is less than if you tried to buy into a Fortune 500 company, for example. As with all pioneering movements comes a unique set of obstacles, especially education. I hope this video, on how to start with NFTs, has provided comfort to those that are curious and eager to explore the NFT world, and you now know if you want to be a flipper or hodl for long-term investment.